Moonstone, with its ethereal glow, has captivated human imagination for centuries. Known for its unique pearly sheen, adulorescence, this gemstone transcends time and geography. Formed from two feldspar species, orthoclase and albite, it creates its characteristic shimmer. Historically, moonstone has been revered as a powerful talisman. Ancient civilizations, from Romans to Indians, cherished moonstone for its spiritual purity and love. During the Art Nouveau period, moonstone became popular among European artisans. Jewelers like René Lalique and Louis Comfort Tiffany crafted pieces highlighting its natural beauty. This fascination continues today, influencing fashion and spirituality. Moonstone's mystical reputation is deeply rooted in myths and legends worldwide. In Hindu mythology, it is considered sacred, associated with the lunar deity Chandra. In Western cultures, moonstone links to moon goddesses like Selene and Diana. This connection emphasizes femininity, fertility, and natural rhythms. Native groups in North America used moonstone in ceremonies for good harvests and travel protection. Believed to facilitate clairvoyant experiences, it was a tool for shamans seeking future insights. These narratives show how moonstone is embedded in human experience. Moonstone's beauty is undeniable, but its purported healing properties set it apart. Practitioners of alternative medicine swear by its benefits, including improving digestive and reproductive health. It is said to help detoxify the body and improve skin and hair health. Moonstone's gentle vibrations are believed to stabilize emotional states and enhance mental clarity. It is useful for meditation, opening heart and sacral chakras, fostering a connection between physical and spiritual worlds. These mystical healing properties continue to draw people to moonstone. Moonstone is turned to for its psychological and emotional benefits, fostering inner peace and harmony. Known as the Stone of New Beginnings, it inspires optimism and strength to start afresh. Its soothing energy diminishes anxiety and stress, aiding those in challenging situations. By promoting a calm mental state, moonstone helps achieve clearer thinking and decision-making. Its connection to lunar energy enhances intuition and psychic abilities, providing comfort and guidance. These benefits highlight moonstone's potential for personal growth and well-being. In contemporary society, moonstone remains relevant as a symbol of healing and hope. Popular in jewelry, it is favored for its aesthetic appeal and metaphysical properties. Designers set moonstone in silver or white gold, making it a choice for engagement rings. Beyond fashion, moonstone is used in holistic health practices. It is a staple in spas and wellness centers for its calming effects. Moonstone-infused skincare products promise physical and emotional rejuvenation. In home decor, it brings harmony and balance, cleansing spaces of negative energy. Moonstone's popularity underscores its timeless appeal in modern life. Moonstone, with its pearly luster, symbolizes the human quest for beauty, balance, and cosmic understanding. Its journey from ancient talismans to modern wellness tools highlights its enduring appeal. Whether drawn to its beauty, healing properties, or spiritual connection, moonstone offers a unique pathway. Owning a moonstone is about embracing history and potential personal transformation. It reminds us of our connection to the natural world, offering peace in daily life. Moonstone beckons us to embrace its journey and discover more about ourselves.